Hold record and say, create 3 layers. That's it. It's not a magic, it's real. You can hold the record and say, delete all the layers and create a car made of shape layers. Done. Here you got a car made of shape layers with their correct names. Let's try another challenge. We can open the context section and turn on the project manifest. This will make AI aware of your project and structure layers. Now he can see everything. Let's say, please parent all the car's parts to the car body layer. Then animate the car from left to right, 5-second duration. Amazing, right? Let's do final example for this teaser. Let's say, create a full JSX script with a dockable UI panel for applying expression wiggle on any selected layer. And here we go. And by the way, you can do a lot of things with this tool. This is just the beginning. XPalantir, one tool to control them all.